welcome back. This is a boy here, Adam Slink, and that's Free West Deep, Mr. John Gello here. So, of course, this the show Talk the Talk. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the topics of this week. And the first one that I want to talk about, the first one that just came out now, is about Bokbogiri, Punto DK versus Jane, the Instagram married twerker. Well, of course, you guys already know we have talked about this severally, and most of us has a mixed reaction to it. Some believe that Bokbogiri actually slept with Jane. Then some also do not believe, like a Free West DP, believe that Punto DK is lying. But there's an audio that was just released a couple of minutes ago. I think we should first play the audio for the audience so that they can check if the audio was doctored or not. Well, pardon me guys, let me just play the audio, then we can all have a clear discussion on it. Yes, my God damn.
I should not date stay rich. Each time I think of my prick the race, I get strong erection. Yeah, the girl don't do dirty, different kind of sex. She tell me say Prince, the fuck where you don't fuck me. My husband for 9 years, where they did, she never fuck me like that. Yeah. Me and Jay, we feed the house, we fuck from morning till evening.
She know they tire.
Yeah, if we tire, we'll rest, we'll continue.
Nah.
Plus they fear me. Now she married the guy now, not be the guy married.
She they use.
Plus they fear me. Now she married the guy now, not be the guy married.
She they use.
I should not date the rich. Each time I think of my pretty race, I get strong erection. Yeah, the girl don't do dirty sex, different kind of sex. So they say, she tell me say Prince, the fuck where you don't fuck me. My husband for 9 years, well they did, she never fuck me like that. Me and Jim, we feed the house, we fuck from morning till evening.
She know they tire.
Well, guys, let's all be completely honest. Did you listen to Prince coming out on live to talk about him not being invited by DSS or him not being arrested?
Yes.
Have you listened to that audio?
Yes.
That was Prince, Abi?
Yeah.
That was the doctor, Abi? Comparing that audio to this guy, to this audio, will you say you are, how many percent will you say, okay, this audio now is true?
80%.
Free West Deep, how many percent?
50%. Everything is 50-50.
50%.
You know, you can doctor the voice in the.
Yeah. According to that other video, it's like almost the same. Yeah. Or do I say it's the same?
It's the same. Let's call a spade a spade.
See, if somebody wants to clone you, they will use what you.
That's
what they do.
That was how he said that wasn't his voice during that time.
I'm not saying that. Wait now. I'm not saying that these people they didn't sleep together. They sleep. What I'm saying is that they should convince us. You know, Toto Dike said he has the sex tape, not audio tape. So I'm not still convinced until I see the video. So your own opinion.
Do you expect a video to be out? Honestly speaking,
I expect a video to be out.
A video will definitely not be out. It's not possible now.
See, whether you like it or not.
See, I pity for I pity for Jane or husband though, because he's the victim here. Because Jane is enjoying Bokbogiri's whatever is
According to what's and you know, it's not funny. 30 times. Is it that 30 different styles or 30 different times?
It's just, I don't give it down. The fact is that for 9 years,
no, she's been married for 9 years.
No, she has known that guy for 9 years. I think they've been married for like 2 years. She know that guy for 9 years.
Okay.
And she confessed to Bokbogiri that, see, the strap is strapping now. I don't want to see.
It has been
It's not my
verified.
business. See, I'm not the one that is publishing the audio. I can
don't
see whatever I want to
I don't
see.
believe audio.
Wait. I am not the one that is publishing the audio.
Okay,
so I can
tomorrow
see
I will
whatever I
send
say.
you your own.
Let me finish my sentence. She said that for 9 years she has been with her husband. That strap made spring strap her. Her husband has never banged her like that before. If her husband listen to like this kind of talk, they go say the girl will come her house, strap from morning till
Very
night.
annoying, very annoying.
The answer is no, they tire. She said the tire, they will rest now, continue. If you are Jane's husband, how will you feel?
Let me tell you something. You know, we should be mindful of what we believe, because somebody said audio, this guy is this voice audio. Let me tell you something. One thing I believe is that they gave us, when Nigeria was saying Yar'Adua is dead, they gave us several audios. They even brought signature to us. This is what they can do in this country. So I'm not, it's not new to me. So
That kind of case is a high class
not
case.
high class case. This thing is what they can do in the studio.
Honest.
You understand? This thing is what anybody can do. So when you give us a tape, they will analyze. That is people with, so that we know that it's not doctored. Even when Ganduche's tape came out, they said it's doctored. So this is what we are saying in this country. So I don't believe anything that comes out like that. So I have to, you understand? That is my own opinion. We have a tape of somebody, a politician collecting money, is doctored. Then all of a sudden, all of us believe that it's doctored. Now we are believing that this. You understand? So all of us didn't believe that it was doctored. You understand? Then they said it's doctored. Now somebody came out with a tape. Then you expect me to believe. You understand? So I don't believe all those things.
Well, basically, the news is still fresh anyway. Let's see how it
Yes,
goes.
let me
It's still
wait.
Is it fresh?
I'm waiting.
Are you saying this news is
No,
still fresh?
this audio is still fresh. That's what I'm saying.
The audio
What
is
else
audio is fresh.
do you need again?
It came less than 1 hour.
Okay, what else do you need? What else do you want the people to talk about?
Let's
This is not a fresh news.
Let's listen.
This is a guy who they have alleged that yes, he has actually done it. This is a guy who
I'm
once
not saying
denied
the guy has not done
that tape was not his.
This guy.
Then later he agreed.
I'm not saying the guy has not done it.
See. Let's
But
be completely honest.
You should bring something credible for us to receive. I don't just believe in anything like that again. You understand? Based on what I believe in this country, and it turned out to be like fake. Lekki Tollgate, they said the shotgun. Then we are yet to even see people that died. So
If you
I don't believe
understand,
anything
if you
like this.
understand
Me, I'm
the
not touching
many
relationship,
issues.
let's be sincere. If this guy understands relationship, if you have really done relationship of a thing, you don't knock, like you don't know the twists and turns, you won't doubt this thing. Let's be honest. You won't doubt it.
And if you understand blackmail, the extent they can go, you won't say like this.
Blackmail, what is blackmail in here? No, let us analyze this.
You understand? It's two sides. That is why I said
This is a girl who threatened to go to
I
court.
said it's 50-50.
Has she gone to court?
You understand?
See, has she gone to court?
Not yet.
I'm not saying.
Shall we go to court?
See, I'm not saying. See, you know that I'm not saying that she is.
You want a video.
What I'm saying is that this thing is not enough to still convince me. You understand? It may be enough to
That's why I
convince.
said
He wants a video.
something will come up.
He wants a
To definitely
video.
come up.
He wants a
If this
video.
video is right or
You're wrong.
you can't get
You
all the
could
evidence
convince
in a
me.
day. You have to dig. You
I have
do
to
some
wait.
findings.
I have to wait.
So let's just
Okay, let's say I
count.
did this 20% before. This one came out, I believe another 5%. You understand? So another one will come, I believe another 5%. That is how I build
Let's
my
not be
belief
completely
about the
honest.
story.
The reason why he's saying all this is because when it comes to Tune to Decay, we already know what he did and she did wrong. When she what she did with her Churchill, she's absolutely wrong. But at the same time, guys, this guy is judging based on bias. I'm the kind of person I don't really care. If you are my friend, I will still tell you how I be. This guy is judging based on bias because of what Tonto Dike did to Churchill. And we all found out to be lies that Tonto Dike was actually lying against Churchill. So because of that, anything may come aside from that girl.
Okay, let me tell you.
This is
I've said this
We can't
several
even say who
times.
is right or wrong right now.
See, we can't say it's right or wrong, but I've said this several times that anything that comes from Toto Dike needs to be tested, because he brought that picture to us that Churchy battered her, and later we found out that it was a makeup in the studio. So can I believe such a person when he brings another thing? I can't
That's any
believe.
reason not to.
You understand? We still doubt.
Yeah,
and we still
because
like.
that's why
I'm still confused about it. Let's calm down. We're watching. Somebody came and said they battered me, they beat me, and all of a sudden we found out that it was done in the studio as a makeup. And the person bring another evidence after years again. I should believe the story. It's like a politician coming out to say, vote for me, I will tie this road.
Yeah,
and coming out after 4 years and saying, vote for me, I will still tie the same road. You will believe?
Well,
Even if you vote for him again, that he will tie the road, you will still doubt. That is what
I've rested my case.
they said in law. They said he who comes to equity must come in clean hands.
Yeah.
If your hands is not clean, they will not believe you at equity. You understand? It's not your fault. Your hands is not clean. Your hands are not clean, so they will not come. They will not believe you. So Toto Dike has not come to equity with clean hands. That is why she's having difficulty in people believing her. So if she had come out with clean hand before, I heard they will say, she dey talk truth. It's there. It's written in Greek. I've forgotten how they wrote it in Greek. It's there. He who comes to equity must come with clean hand. If you don't come with clean hand, don't believe the jury to believe. Don't. You understand? That is, if you had a case in court, what they look at is your story history, your crime history.
History and evidence.
You understand? Okay, let's say somebody they allege that you stole something and you didn't steal it. Everything is like 50-50 or 50-40, you didn't steal it. And your crime history says you've been shoplifting. And you come to jury, what will they look at? They will look at your crime history. They will just forget about this one first.
Definitely.
You understand? That is it.
It will increase.
You must come in clean hands. But if it's your first time offender, they will say, okay, it's your first. You understand? So the case will be different. Because Toto Dike has polished a story against somebody in the past, it is now difficult for some people to believe that same story. It's just like when I was reading about reading the comment for Reno Mokri and this Natasha lady. A lot of people just jumped when the girl first of all spoke. The lady first of all spoke. A lot of people jumped on social media, say Reno, don't do this one, don't do, until Reno brought.
Okay, now let's talk about other things. But just watch and see. Okay.
No, that's why I said calm down.
Calm down. It's still fresh. We need to be convinced.
Yeah. Let's watch and see. So is there anyone again? If you guys are looking at me and see.
We thought you wanted to bring us.
We have something. We have something on Two-Face, Idibia, Peru, and the family of Two-Face Idibia. Yeah. You understand? So and Idibia and Two-Face. So those things, because Peru flew in Abuja, Two-Face flew in Abuja the same day, and all those things. Suspicion came on social media and the rest. Later, Two-Face was seen with Annie again. He made a video of that, saying something about that. So the whole of this story, I want you to understand. What do you feel now?
The bottom truth now is that just as we thought before, that Peru has been patiently waiting for Two-Face Idibia. It seems like that is not the scenario here, because she herself said that she has no relationship with Two-Face. That she has not spoken to Two-Face for 4 months. I don't know how that is possible, since they have shared kids together. But she said for 4 months, and that she has not spoken to Annie Idibia since 2019. And of course, she also said that that she has a boyfriend. That she and her boyfriend now are currently in Abuja. So I think all this rumor about if
so you know what I will not believe about her. I will believe that Pero has not spoken with Annie for years, but I will not believe that Pero has not spoken with Two-Face for 4 months. How do you pay your school fee? Who pay your school fee? The children's school fees. So you've not even called. You understand now? Are you telling me that within that 4 months, maybe one of them was I not showing sign of
No,
like
no.
malaria, all those kind of
No,
things.
just as what we thought that okay, there'll be banging. There'll be banging. So she has outrightly came out to be like, okay, I am not in a relationship with Two-Face. I have a boyfriend.
But she didn't deny whether they are
But-
banging or not.
She said, of course, she said she has not spoken to Two-Face for 4 months.
Okay, see.
Where will the banging come in?
Okay, where the banging
Can you
coming?
ban somebody?
You have not-
You have not spoken.
Now,
I mean,
from the story of
how can you ban
Annie,
it?
Annie posted on social media that how can a father go to US and then go and see your kids
Your
in US
kids.
and you stay in the same house with your baby mama?
It's very possible though, but that's what.
Okay, that's what Annie said. So this thing happened. Two-Face flew to US again. You understand? Flew to US again, and Annie was here. You know, an audio came out where Annie was ranting. You know, so allegedly ranting on all those things. So now Two-Face flew into Nigeria and then to Abuja. Then Peru came into Abuja almost the same day. And then Two-Face people came to see Peru at the hotel. You understand? In Abuja. Then Two-Face mom stays in Abuja also. So there's a lot of see.
Well, someone is she's not saying.
Somebody
the truth.
may be lying. That is what I believe. Somebody
And
may be lying.
they are saying it's Two-Face wife, first wife. Well, it's kind of like, but one thing that I noticed that I cannot really take away is how Peru looks, honestly. The girl Gadanyash.
Yeah,
Let us be sincere. And honestly, man, if I was Two-Face, with that kind of ass, but I don't know, maybe she
Okay, imagine you saw it on camera and somebody saw it in the same house.
One on one.
It's like millions of kilometers away. I saw it in the same house.
If I'm Two-Face friend, I'll be like, man, you see that your baby mama ass?
Okay,
With the fuck up, oh.
So the thing is that,
Well, it's not for Two-Face to.
you know, for me,
decide.
what I understand, what to me I'm suspecting is that Two-Face is working around something. Later, you know, he's working around so that Annie and Peru will accept each other.
But-
To Two-Face is married to 2 wives. To him, he has 2 wives.
But
I'm
I'm
not
not
telling me that somebody has first, second, third baby for you,
Yeah.
for you, and you are still calling the person the baby mama. If it's like one, we say baby, or twins, we say baby mama. But you see, went back to the person you did. You see, went back to the
Second time and
person third time you did again.
The first 3, right?
He said the last boy for Peru. Peru has been married to Annie for how many years? Two-Face has been.
Two-Face. How many years? They went to Dubai. I can't remember.
Is it 2013 or 14?
About that.
I can't remember.
I can't remember, but now they're married for some years.
And that shows that the last Peru's kid it was still fresh. You understand? You understand the logic now? That is, Two-Face just left Peru like few months and went to marry Annie and all those things. But right now they are telling Annie to accept that Two-Face has another wife somewhere, which is obvious. It's obvious now. It's
Very,
obvious.
very
It's obvious that okay, Two-Face and the family of Two-Face accept that. They said they didn't say Two-Face is not married to Annie.
But it's
They said Peru is the
accepted.
first wife.
Peru is out there
understand?
enjoying another cucumber. Understand?
From what she
According
said
according
that
to
she has a
Sha-
boyfriend, yeah.
What she said. She has a boyfriend.
Okay, now she has a boyfriend. I'm not doubting that. But Annie, who is married, and Brimo coming out with a story that he slept with Two-Face wife, that he is guilty of it, and Two-Face threatened to sue Brimo.
Yeah.
And later Two-Face is now sluggish to sue Brimo. So,
But maybe
it's another suspicion now.
maybe Two-Face said he made the use of him.
Well, deal, well,
He's strong, I'm telling you.
So that is another thing.
Yeah.
Because
That's
what
why
I'm
keep
saying,
this thing. I mean, keep your problems private. If you are leaving a problem, just leave your problems.
What I'm
private.
saying is
Where
that,
it's supposed to.
Two-Face is keeping his pride. He's not saying anything.
Yeah, that's why I said Annie made a mistake by bringing their issues to the internet.
She had enough now. She had enough of the whole.
And people have been.
and Annie's brother helped Annie to destroy the whole thing. You understand? That is it. Because right now, you can't tell me that Two-Face mom will be happy with Annie's family. She can never be happy, even though they reconcile. You understand? because based on what has happened recently. So whether you like it or not, to me, to a lot of Nigerians, Two-Face is married to two wives, and
wives.
the family
Well,
admits that. So now they are looking for who will become the first wife. It's not who. You understand? It's not who is the first wife.
Well, Two-Face, from one comment already, they say Two-Face is going through a lot. Other people say Ali Dibia is going through a lot.
Pharaoh's father.
Whose issues?
Pharaoh's father said something like Two-Face came with at least something like cola and all those things. You can't tell me that Two-Face went with cola alone. He must have gone with some members of his family, Abi?
To answer,
that is
to
introduce.
introduce.
You understand the logic
Yeah.
now? So that is a valid, union.
To introduce
Somehow.
himself, and he was accepted. After introduction, they're like, okay, you are welcome. Even if you haven't paid, that means you've done something. You don't do something for the head.
Yes. So whether you like it or not, Two-Face has to work. And one thing, it will affect, like Two-Face career is almost going down now. And if there's not again, he will die. From this point now, his career may die.
But
Because people will choose not to listen to somebody.
no, well,
Right now,
no,
We can't run away from that.
I've
We
been
have to
Two-Face
listen to
fan.
it, whether we like it or
I've
not.
been Two-Face fan since 1996.
Okay.
To now. But
So-
if I tell you I'm turned off that Two-Face cannot stand as a man, I'm beginning to consider that I cannot
well,
look up to this person
let's
as
move
a-
over from that.
as
All
a
those married
model.
people. But you know that currently, let's still talk Whiskey. Whiskey is currently, of course, touring in USA, and apparently, or it's not about apparently. Whiskey mom, dad, and sister are currently in USA, and Jada mom,
And kids, yeah.
dad, and relative are still in USA. So, and there is this rumor that Whiskey and Jada might be getting married really soon. Really soon. And
I suspect that, based on the recent post that Jada actually made,
Yeah, I saw it.
talking about getting married to a man that don't get married to a man that just wants a wife. You understand? So
To me,
I
I think Wizkid has done something for Jada. You know why? Because recently, Jada's father posted
as a son-in-law.
Yeah, he said something, calling Wizkid a son-in-law. I think Wizkid has done something
yes.
for Jada, maybe introduce himself. And we should also remember that recently, Wizkid posted something. I think, I don't know if it was a joke that he hopes he finds a wife. During this.
that was a goddamn joke. That was a
Yeah.
goddamn
No. Let me.
It was a good.
He posted that, but it was posted. Now, Jada said that you shouldn't believe everything you see, on social media.
that
It's
means,
like,
the man
it's
is
like
not really
letting us know, see this guy, they're really.
But honestly,
You understand?
Jada deserves whatever she's getting now. Let's be completely honest.
Yeah, because
if you talk
she
about
managing
what
Wizkid.
Managing Wizkid, she has been the most successful manager that Wizkid.
She's been winning awards for
Yes.
managing Wizkid,
See, again, talking about Whiskey baby mamas.
Yeah.
The rest have done nothing for that guy.
Nothing. They've taken much.
They are
from the
taking
guy.
much. Let's be completely honest.
Taking time, taking
And again, that woman
scandal and the
said,
rest.
one thing that I really respect her for is that while she was still dating Whiskey, having already gave birth to their beautiful son,
Yeah.
Whiskey was flirting with other women, including Tiwa Savage, and this girl was still
Managing Wizkid.
Eh?
No, she did a superb job. Fabulous job. She's been with Wizkid, through thick and thin. I think, to me,
she
she's the
deserves
right,
it.
she's the right woman to spend the rest of her life. No, Wizkid is a great artist. He's doing very well. Recently, I saw this post.
One thing, something I want to add is that,
Yeah.
women can be jealous, in the way that, if you are doing all those funny movements like Whiskey, I can just decide to make one good deed just go bad for you. But
She has not
she
accepted
never
that.
did that. She never did that. So, man, a real one, honestly. She's a real one. Because not all women can just like that.
Full years.
Can just keep
Yeah,
quiet.
now what
But
material? Yeah.
talking about that recent post she made about marrying a man who wants to be a husband not a man who wants a wife. Maybe she said no to whiskey or something. I don't know.
No, I don't suspect. What I'm suspecting is that, you know, what she is meant by that is that marry a man who wants to even take the responsibility as a husband. You understand? As in the sense that he doesn't want to look at you like just woman I just get at you. And she has enjoyed that with whiskey. Do you know that Children Not posted a video of whiskey? That is the whiskey that the boy alighted from a private jet and wrote something like, "This whiskey son, he don't travel whole country more than me." Wait, you understand? So because whiskey has actually been there for this kid, and you know, so it's not easy for you to like the love that whiskey is giving to her is different from other ladies. I just respect whiskey for actually understanding that, man, this woman, you don't try, make her just give up.
Okay. See, right now I want to call you out on one particular stuff we argued about, and please, I want you to still have that same mind. Use the arguing behind the camera. I want to use that the same mind to argue it here.
In front of the camera.
So a few days ago, while we were in the office, Free West Deep said that Wizkid and Tems are the biggest artists now in Nigeria, and they are even, Tems particularly, is more in demand than Burna Boy.
Yes, I said it. So why? See, let me tell you.
You understand what I'm saying? That
I get the point. Yeah.
Tems is bigger than Burna Boy.
Yes.
That means people want to see Tems
More
of
than Burna Boy. As far as I agree with him.
Yes.
You know why? Because see, if you see Tems shows in the United States of America, you will be surprised. Like, because Tems is,
It's not the numbers.
let me say fresh.
What are you talking about?
Tems do some stuff.
If you talk about Tems shows, no. See. If you talk about Tems shows,
Yes.
in America, how many sold out shows in clubs?
Habib,
Is that what you're talking about?
Come on, how many years?
If you are talking about-
how many years has Tems? How many years has she spent?
And
Can you
compare
compare
the
Tems
number
with
of-
Burna Boy?
Talk about this year.
No.
Why are you talking about
Okay,
year? Yes.
then
They say Tems is more in demand.
okay, then
You're talking about presently.
Okay, if we are doing that,
If you're talking about presently,
Excuse me, presently, Drake featured Tems in her album, in his album, Certified Lover Boy. Come on, Drake is one of the hottest
hottest
in the world.
artist.
how does a feature? How does
They
a
sold them
feature?
very well. Some things-
Wait. Let me talk.
I said in
If you are talking
demand.
about
I said in
demand,
demand.
if you are talking about in demand, if you are talking about
In
demand,
demand.
these are talking about
Big artists want
please,
wants
it's
to work with
disrespectful.
her.
It's disrespectful to bring Tems and Burna Boy. Presently, what are you talking about? How many concerts has a Tems done?
Not concerned.
How many? Wait, no. How many people has coached Tems for
This
shows?
year, remember
Okay,
this
now,
year.
This year, how many
No,
people?
this
No. It's not.
I know Burna
This
Boy
month.
did the concert in the
This
United
month.
Kingdom and also Greece, right?
Yeah.
See, not be just to no. I want to argue with you guys. Not be just to go sell out shows. We are talking about being invited.
So
That is in demand. Don't just say Tems featuring Wizkid featuring Tems. Make Drake featuring Tems. Make him the hottest person.
Adam's link.
Why are you not talking about CK? Why you not? No.
Okay,
Why are you not guys talking about CK?
What is your point now?
Why are you not?
listen.
Wait. Let me talk.
Why
Why are you guys?
Wait,
Wait. Let me talk now.
Why
are you guys not talking about CK?
No, okay. Why do you feel that
Feel like
Burna
Burna
Boy is more in demand than
more in demand?
Give your terms so that we give our own.
Okay. First,
Yes.
Tems, how many shows has Tems done? If I mean, it should not our own private show, being invited to perform in what are they usually called? Organized shows like that in United States or other parts of the world. None.
Okay.
None. Let's even talk about only this month. Last month. None.
Okay.
But Burna Boy is performing.
Yeah.
Then, if you are talking about Spotify, for example, a stream, of course you will see Tems right above Burna Boy because of two feature, Wizkid and and Drake. And it's not his money. It's not her money. She only get few percent.
We know.
Few percent. Let me finish. Few percent. But she's just taking the glory because that's the same number counted as Drake songs, that particular song, will also be counted alongside our own too, just for the rating. Automatically, it still means Drake is making more hell of money than Tems in Spotify.
Okay.
On Instagram on YouTube or another platform as well.
Another streaming platform.
Then if you are talking about invitation to cover magazines, Drake covered the recent magazine well.
Not Drake.
Burna Boy. The only thing that you guys are using to attribute Tems is not even our own music.
Okay.
It's Wizkid song and Burna Boy and Drake song. And if those songs,
okay, you said your terms. You made your own.
IAP what?
Okay.
No, you made
IAP. They will hear about IAP.
See,
and she released an EP, and it's not okay.
Let's allow the viewers to actually comment.
And again, let me finish. You guys are making argument based on what as the hottest because of the rate because of rating of Spotify on a music that's not originally her own music. What about why didn't you guys raise CK? CK who is making headlines?
Wait now.
Let me talk.
The analysis is between Tems and Burna Boy.
Yes, but wait, I want to bring CK into it because you guys are disrespecting Burna Boy because you feel like you feel no. I've been doing this not it's a disrespect. He has been doing and still doing. He has been doing and still doing. And bringing Tems and Burna Boy on disrespect is disrespect.
Okay.
And okay, why didn't you guys bring CK in? Wait, let me talk. Right now, why didn't you guys bring CK in?
Okay.
Bring CK in and just swipe away Tems. Because CK is doing more than Tems.
Wanting.
Yes, he's doing more than Tems. In own song is more recognized than what song Tems has ever done.
Okay, see, you are talking to viewers. Have you made your point? Now, they said Tems is more in demand than Burna Boy.
You said that.
Yes, I said it. Now, Burna Boy is almost 10 years in music. Tems is just like 2-3 years in music. Then when Burna Boy was 2-3 years in music, Burna Boy could not perform in a club in US.
I don't understand why you guys are bringing past. You are talking about now. Why you using Burna Boy last 3 years? Okay, Tems. Okay, you know what? Tems should automatically just vanish to Burna Boy's area. We are talking about now. No. I won't allow that kind of.
I'm speaking now.
I won't allow. No. That is not.
You are supposed to let him speak. Let him speak. Let him express himself.
How can you bring 3 years of Burna Boy and compare it to 3 years of Tems? Of course, I'm going to agree that 3 years of Burna Boy is worse than 3 years now of Tems. 3 years now of Tems is she has successfully succeeded in music than Burna Boy 3 years ago. But you are doing a comparison now.
But you didn't.
Why are you bringing it?
I allowed you to make your point. Let me make my point.
You are making points that I already agreed with. No. You are making points. You are making points that everybody agreed with. I agree that 3 years of
allow people to express their opinion.
Why you bring it?
No.
You cannot bring a term that we already agreed with. Even viewers know that Tems 3 years now is way more better than Burna Boy 3 years.
The leader
are agreeing about that.
They will even write it there that you should allow this person. Allow you to speak.
Don't worry, speak.
You understand? Now,
this
3 years. If you compare it now, what I said is much in demand is that the likes of Rihanna, the likes of top Nigerian artists want to have a collabo. American artists want to have a collabo with Tems than Burna Boy right now. That is the demand. I'm not talking about listening
now.
I'm talking about
the Rihanna came out. You want to see video with them hanging out? Are you telling me they're not hanging out with them?
Okay, now
Burna Boy. Have you gone to Burna Boy backstage?
See, for you to feature in 2 albums that is topping chart in the world automatically makes you one of the biggest artists.
And
you
that
featured
song,
in 2 albums,
the song,
making it
that song,
number listen in the
that
world.
song,
Essence
oh,
and Certified Lover Boy. She is on those tracks. Fountain. That no, the album.
Yeah,
the album is
yeah.
one of the greatest in the world. This guy, Wizkid, Tems is one of the greatest on this thing. So that shows you that she is not a fluke. You understand? She didn't get there as a fluke. She got there as a result of her delivery. So now, when you talk about demand, that means more of American artists want to work with her. You understand? Let's check between now and the middle of next year. You will see a lot of artists that wants to work with Tems.
Who want to be working based on featured alone?
So now,
don't you want to say this is my song? Going places.
When Burna Boy was 4 years in music, even Drake, Drake cannot even follow.
After their Burna Boy paved the way.
Media.
Just imagine, Burna Boy after they paved the way for people like Tems. You are using them to compare. Let them go and sing this song that she sings.
He said something. He shot himself on the leg. He said something after Burna Boy made something like a pave way for the people like Tems. Did Burna Boy acknowledge that Idris Abdulkarim made pave way for him?
What is my business with that?
So that you should allow that to die. You should not say.
But Burna Boy
didn't make any way.
Acknowledge person like.
If Burna Boy didn't acknowledge the lives of
Idris Abdulkarim doesn't have respect.
If he does not acknowledge the life of Idris, Two-Face, all those guys, forget it. Burna Boy has said this several times that nobody makes way for him.
Okay. You know what?
Forget about that.
Compare Burna Boy. Okay, now you don't talk now. Okay, compare Tems now to Burna Boy.
Last year.
2 years ago.
2 years ago.
Tems is more in demand.
2 years ago, how many years was he? He just left school and dropped a song.
You understand? Yes. You see me.
Somebody left school and dropped a song.
Compare Tems and Burna Boy 2 years ago. When this guy
have you seen any artist in Nigeria or in Africa that left the school and tops charts in the world?
Wait, a artist, a girl that just came in.
Yes.
Yeah.
Made they carry on like baby.
Yes.
Call the sing, call the fee, say you want to compare her with Burna Boy.
Yes.
Who has been struggling?
Yes.
And no really single. And they play the full album.
Yes.
No feature.
No feature.
And this guy won the Grammy. They take and they compare person like Tems.
Yes.
You are disrespectful to Burna Boy. I swear you if Burna Boy is spilling there.
I said he's more demand. He's more demand now. I will not change.
How can you say Burna Boy Tems is not demand now?
Whether you like it or not, American artists want to
hasn't achieved more than
he has achieved.
You cannot say Tems is not demand now when she's not being attributed. They're not they call her for shows. The only thing she's demand for is people like her voice, they want to work with her.
Then
Finish. Are you telling me? Okay. You know what? At the end of this year, we will know how many features he has done. She has done internationally compared to
yes. And she's meeting up something. She's meeting up a lot of.
This guy they go shows.
Definitely.
This one they go on her own shows.
Tems is on the rise right now.
She's on the rise. Give her that. But don't just say comparing her to Burna Boy.
Right now, it's viewers. Right now, Tems is in more demand than
viewers. Which
because Wizkid na Baba Life, Wizkid.
Baba Life, people Wizkid.
Can you compare Wizkid and Burna Boy now?
Let us no. See, musically,
don't talk it.
My own be said, let Wizkid carry Grammy come home.
Yes,
that is what I want.
Music.
This album is something else. This made the Lagos album, especially that song Tems. If Wizkid no carry Grammy come home,
Tems,
we go slow.
Wizkid, those guys don't combo. They are bad. Essence.
Whether than essence.
And then now Certified Lover Boy. For you, if I be upcoming artist, I did a song with in 2 different albums, and they become #1 and #2 in the world. You should like that person is one of the greatest.
What about our own song?
I'm not concerned.
You just build house. You don't get your own house.
Do you know what?
What is that?
Try and download that's her the EP. Orange is the new.
An EP that is not chatting.
Where is the chart? Okay, tell me the chart.
Okay,
See,
please download it. And
you know
listen
what
to it.
makes
I don't want to listen to anything. As long as the people are not making it chart, why I want to listen to them?
See, you know what
A
makes
song that chart will chart.
you know
You
what
have
makes
Burna
that
Boy's album.
chart.
promotion.
Okay, so why? Okay, why? Why
She does not have Burna Boy's money to promote. She does not have Burna Boy's money to promote.
And you say,
Right,
and you say she's more in demand.
Yeah, she's more in demand because somebody that has 100,000 released jumped into the song and the song chart.
The time Burna Boy released
100 million.
the time thank you very much. She said no get the kind of money Burna Boy get. The time
Because she's not been long.
with Ye.
Yeah.
Ye with Ye. With Ye. Wasn't he of the same level with what Thames is doing now? Why Thames? Make Thames release her own music. Make people go hear will be forced to promote.
Allow the people to say it now.
Burna Boy release song.
Burna
He
Boy
forced
got-
people to promote the song.
See, Burna Boy
In a way that not being forced and but that music forced people.
management. Burna Boy's song.
Burna Boy has been
The last song that got the Grammy award. This thing, the last song that got the Grammy award. This guy, Bob Daddy, was much involved in the song. That he flew down to Nigeria. Bob Daddy was
Let's be
like on
sincere.
Who
That
did
Burna
that?
Boy last album, not this one he won a Grammy for.
Not
That last album is even we sold more than what
They pushed it now. They pushed it.
Grammy.
They pushed
So
it.
that Grammy are based on influence. Let's forget that. But talking about the real money, the real demand was that album before the album, before Twice.
But right now,
that's what the complaint.
on my own opinion, is that Thames is more.
Your own opinion is just.
You understand? Thames and Whiskey, they are more in demand than any other.
I beg you.
Right now. So that is something we all need to understand. For a celebrity to see you and starstruck as an upcoming, that means
Star Trek. Okay. See all those you don't know all those fizzy there. If you are carried away as an artist with that kind of fizzy, you will just die there. You will die there. No, nothing for you. Nothing for you.
Yes.
All those fizzy doesn't help shit. Let us watch now. I want Thames to grow. No. Good and fine. If she succeed more than Burna Boy, good for her. I really like that. But you are disrespecting Burna Boy.
I'm not disrespecting Burna Boy. I started following Burna Boy in 2013.
You are disrespecting based on your bias.
I started following Burna Boy
I
in
think let's
2013.
just move on to something else.
Okay.
There's this thing I saw.
Somebody saw by Tiwa
Excuse
Savage.
me.
Thanks. Nobody said that kind of music before.
Somebody saw that to a savage.
Because it's trending now. You are talking about your own song.
Within Nigeria YouTube space or social media space, that is not a song for the world.
No,
Okay,
people they listen to that
Big-
song.
I just know.
People like
I think this guy.
Nicki Minaj.
Yes,
not to listen that-
they listen to the song.
She don't let it all repeat.
Mariah Carey even drop a Netflix.
Okay,
Okay,
now,
Brandy, she did listen
now,
to Brandy. Yeah.
now, this guy, this girl is supposed to have gone further than that. For you to be a member of Universal Music Group in the world, that makes you like Sony, Sony rank. You understand? For Tiwa Savage to be dropping a song now to be known by Nicki Minaj, it should have done it like 3 years ago because she has been a member of Universal Music Group. The likes of Wizkid, Davido and all those people, they've been doing it. Burna Boy been doing it as a member of.
They have been recognizing Tiwa Savage song.
What Tiwa Savage song? This one just like okay, they helped her to push it.
The
And
thing
then
is,
they push it to
the
the
truth is that when it comes to
Forget about it.
When it comes
The
to
first female artist now in Nigeria
when it comes to
is
streaming,
Thames.
when it comes to streaming, Tiwa Savage is higher than Thames. But
Yes.
right now, like the month of September, Thames was higher than Tiwa Savage. But
I would say talk about personal songs.
You get Tiwa Savage is still higher.
I'm not saying the
Talk about
you
personal
guys
songs.
does not understand
Spotify.
when they talk of demand, you people think that maybe based on fanship and all this.
You are talking based on celebrities, maybe they like
Fanship,
other like them.
So fanship is built over time. You understand? Because when somebody starts like 10 years ago and I start 2 years ago, your fan base will be bigger than mine.
Yeah.
But if I start 10 years ago, for you to rate us,
Is it not fan base that will make you defeat?
For you to rate us
Not people
the
going
man.
this guy with us.
for you to rate us,
contradicting
for
himself.
you to equate their demand because they came from two different times. For you to equate their
he
demand,
knows that Burna Boy attends them for 2 different times
see,
now.
for you to equate their demand, you have to like, okay, how do I equate this person as high in demand? The people that are experts in music industry, who do they choose to listen to? You understand? Somebody dropped a hit. This one dropped a hit, and somebody like Michael Jackson is.
And those people who
You understand
who
what
are
it
in, see,
means?
it's crazy. You see this life get as it be. Those people who are the music genius, sit down, they listen to music. Now they buy your music. CK, anybody want to listen to
Who they vote for Grammy?
One TT.
No, who they
You
vote?
don't tell me they release
Who
one
they
TT.
vote for Grammy?
Did wait.
Who they vote for Grammy?
It's Grammy. Come on, Grammy. We are talking about. No, don't talk about Grammy now. We don't talk about Grammy now.
Please.
Talk about. Wait. Talk about this guy. See,
It's okay.
He said people.
Everybody's right. Let's go on to something. Recently, we saw this. Is it a video of Davido and Angel? You know, Angel that just left the Big Brother Nigeria house. And according to a message, that fans are angry at Davido's management for making David accessible to people. Comment from fans came in minutes after video of OBO and Big Brother Nigeria housemate Angel went viral online. What do you think? The fans, right? Because according to fans, they say
the fans, they are 100% right.
Okay.
Because for you to be like, you know, like, because the way Davido is managed,
Everybody
is
has
very
access
bad.
to Davido.
Everybody,
It be like that,
Davido had a 17-track album and featured in 40 songs in a year. That is nonsense.
If that no take
That is
in the next 2 years, the Davido will sack that Lola.
Yes.
We sack all those people.
Yes.
How can everybody
That is
have access to Davido? Do you have access to whiskey? See, everybody no go just get access
No,
to
Whiskey is not like the video.
Even Rema, this Angel will not have access to Rema.
You can have access to me, but not be video. I mean, Davido and Don Jazzy. Don Jazzy we know that
He's a
businessman. We
So that
understand.
one is different.
But
you
great
artist.
you can see me face to face, talk, hello. So you will tell the story later in your Twitter, man. I made Davido, and Davido was so nice. Good and fine. That's why people pick Davido up. That you show Peter like this. On the girl, they go, make everybody have access to her.
So the management is
I said to you, the next 2 years, you see, if Davido release,
if he continue with them,
if Davido drop album, you know, sell, you know, meet expectation.
go sack them.
Because now there's this competition, strong one. Those young guys are coming up. If you don't meet, Kai.
Okay. You guys have answered correctly. This question I asked, in my last video, is like question of the day. I think after this we should just call it off. Someone said the person's name is Peace of Mind. I am a Nigerian artist and all my songs are hits. I am not Whiskey, Davido, Burna Boy. Who am I? We know like Burna Boy, Whiskey, and Davido. They are like the three.
That's a relevant question now.
No.
That kind of question.
He said, who am
Based
I?
on your opinion.
No, everybody has something to say. You definitely have, like, okay, let me read some other people's comment for you. Someone said, Vico, that one, I know this person was just joking. Another person said, Speedy, Darlington, come on. Another person said, Fireboy DML. That Fireboy DML has been dropping hits, but he is not Davido. Because we know that Davido.
But who I will pick?
With
Me.
Yeah.
I'll pick Rema.
You pick Rema. Okay. That Rema has been doing very well. What about you, Adamsman?
I'll post CK.
CK. You really like this CK a lot.
Like guys.
See, the guy, no. That's to tell you a guy, the music just go there. He not do any promotion, he not do anything. The only thing was just making small, just a remixer on his own. He not do any promotion. And I bet you those people in that upside listen to that music. They think which kind of music be this one? Fans made that music grow. That's to tell you that the people that listen to music don't actually in 80% chances.
Naturally.
80% chances they are not the one to make. See, they come for you when you have something to sell.
You don't go for them.
Even if you see from that till tomorrow, nobody listen to music. Most people will never approach you.
But
And you are telling me here that
wait, don't bring that up. According to the results, I think like do I say 70% voted for Kiss Daniel. People were saying Kiss Daniel, Kiss Daniel.
Kiss Daniel, what's it?
No,
But Donald Trump to try.
okay, now,
But it's just that, it's just that,
now
it's
they
just
think
that.
you.
Kiss Daniel to
Now,
try. I think
70% of people that Kiss Daniel.
he's not getting that recognition
Some
anymore.
people say,
He's underrated.
He's on that.
you see, that is the question. You understand?
It's
Some people say
underrated.
Fireboy, DML, Buju. Some people say Olamide. Some people say maybe say Fino Fino.
Kind of CK.
And for you now,
See,
you don't
when you
know
say
that.
not be only love quantity, you guys need to listen to CK song.
Some people even call Patoranking. Patoranking, they
He's
do well.
doing well.
He's doing well. There are so many good artists in this country.
All that's one are like B artists. Understand? Great big.
Yeah. Okay, great big.
I know person will tell me why they call Patoranking great big artists.
You see?
Orang is a reggae star.
It's
still great. He has his own category.
His own category. He's doing well.
It's reggae.
We have so many good artists in this country. They'll be doing very well.
Yes,
the
no.
guys, the ladies, they are the Rema, new artists springing up. They are not dropping hits and they are doing very
This
well.
Rema, they are Magis from this Don Jazzy.
That's the name.
This new artist. What is it called? The one BET. This in what is it called? This boy, this rapper from Don Jazzy. Ladipo.
Ladipo. I mean, so many artists in Nigeria. So many artists.
So many artists. We have a lot of them doing well in Nigeria.
Super
But right
good.
now, the future of Nigerian music lies on the shoulder of
Like the
most
talented
talented
that is
people
trendy.
in
That is trendy.
I thought you wanted to say them.
Loje.
Not them.
There's this
we
guy.
have
Loje, Mona Lisa.
Fireboy, we have
love
Mali,
that
we have
song.
a lot of them.
You know that song now? Loje, Mona Lisa. Now they plan for you now. I don't talk with shadow, they carry me. You understand?
See, it lies on the shoulder of
Speak a little.
this
No,
upcoming.
Okay, that guy.
that guy is
That their whiskey group now.
I love that
It's
song.
big.
The song is good. The guy just like
I think he's
I don't
one
love
of the
song.
South City top
Yeah, yeah. That song.
And
is
again, we are not giving kudos to producers.
Yes.
Because we start the sound I don't think
I
I
don't
will listen to the person.
See, my brother, people plenty behind the music scene. Even doing a video, I mean that video.
Even video shoot, sir.
You feel listen to song, the song don't really, you don't really feel it, but immediately you watch the visuals. Man, I say you could just love the song because of the visuals. So everybody they work, the writers,
The lives of,
composers,
The
man.
likes of
And you don't say music,
Mastercraft.
no really, guy, music, no
legendary beats.
legendary
And that
beats,
flavor song named Mastercraft. Okay.
You know say
Level.
music, no, they very
Levels. That one
You
is
understand? We are all
it's for billionaires.
we are all you YouTubers, we know what's in there. After you produce something, you get check, you get fine tuner, you get make sure say